Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between extension and contraction of supply. Basically, when extension mean when price increases, supply also increases. It is called extension of supply. When price decreases, supply also decreases. It is called contraction of supply. Basically, there are two more concepts which we are going to discuss in our next lecture, that is called rise and fall of supply. Rise and fall and extension and contraction of supply, they both are different concepts. So basically, extension mean we can simply write it as extension. Extension mean when price increases, supply increases, price and supply both are changing. That is called extension of supply. And on the other hand, contraction is totally opposite to the extension. Contraction mean when price decreases, supply also decreases. That is called contraction of supply. We can explain it with the help of a graph. Uh, and before that, we have to make a table so that you can understand it easily. So we have price and quantity supply in both of these column. Price is 10, 20, 15, and then price goes to 20, and then quantity supply 40, 50, and then it goes to 70. So price is increasing, supply is also increasing. So now we simply put these values on a graph here, price and quantity supply. The first price is 10, then 15, then it goes to 20, then 40, 50, and here is 70. At price 10 there are 40 number of units available in the market for sale. At price 15 there are 50 number of units available in the sale, and at price 20 there are 70 number of units available in the sale. So this is our supply curve. But now we have to explain that where is extension and where is contraction. So now let's assume that this is our initial price, that is 15, and this is at here point A, for example, let's say. Now the price decreases from 15 to 10. So now the price decreases from 15 to 10, and when price decreases from 15 to 10, quantity supplied decreases from 50 to 40. So we can draw here point B. So the movement from point A to B, okay, movement from point A to B is called contraction. Why we are calling it as contraction? Because price is decreasing and supply is also decreasing. Price goes down from 15 to 10, and quantity supply goes down from 50 to 40. So that is called contraction in supply. So now when price increases from 15 to 20, quantity supply increases from 50 to 70. So let's assume that we are giving C to this point. So now when we are moving from point A to C, the price is going to 15 to 20, and quantity supply is going from 50 to 70. So price is increasing, supply is also increasing. So the movement from point A to C is called extension. So question arises, why we are calling is that extension? Because price is increasing and supply is also increasing, so that is called extension in supply. And one thing more, that we have only one supply curve. We are changing our position from A to B, then A to C, or B to A, then A to C. When we are changing our position on a single supply curve, that is called movement along the curve. When we have only one single curve and we are changing our position from different points to different point, that is called movement along the curve. And when we have different supply curve, that is called shifting of the supply curve.